Welcome to my channel. Catchy music. The role of music in making TikTok videos incredibly popular cannot be overstated. Selecting the right, trending soundtrack is essential to ensuring your content not only stands out, but also provides an enjoyable experience for your viewers. Narrator engaging with your audience is crucial for TikTok video success. Creating an emotionally impactful narrative can make a world of difference in grabbing their attention and resonating with them. Narrator, make sure your music can evoke emotions, be memorable, and perfectly complement your video content. It can be a great boost to your viral potential and increase engagement rates. Narrator, so, when selecting the perfect music for your TikTok videos, focus on its ability to evoke emotions and connect with your audience. This will significantly contribute to your video's success and popularity. 2. Keep it short and sweet. TikTok users have a short attention span, so keep your video concise and to the point. Aim for a length of 15–60 seconds, and make sure each second is engaging and valuable. 3. Be creative and authentic. Viewers are attracted to unique and original content. Be true to yourself. Showcase your talents, and find ways to express your individuality through your videos. 4. Use trending hashtags and challenges. Participate in popular challenges. And use relevant hashtags to increase your video's discoverability. This will help you reach a broader audience and get more views. 6. Optimize your TikTok posts. Ensure that your content is optimized for mobile devices to maximize engagement and viewership. Keep your videos short, between 60–15 seconds, as this typically attracts more attention. 7. Use hashtags wisely. Use relevant hashtags that are in line with your content to increase visibility and engagement. Be cautious when using too many hashtags, as this may result in a decrease in viewership. 8. Engage with your followers. Engage with your followers by responding to comments, likes, and reposts. This shows them that you value their opinion and engagement. 9. Collaborate with other influencers. Collaborate with other influencers or content creators to expand your reach and audience. 10. Utilize TikTok Analytics. Use the TikTok Analytics tool to track your video performance, viewership, and engagement. This helps you identify trends, success factors, and areas for improvement. Remember, going viral on TikTok requires a combination of creativity, strategy, and luck. Focus on producing high-quality content that resonates with your audience. And with persistence and consistency, you may just create a viral sensation.